What if I told you a technology once existed that could have changed the world forever, but it was banned before it could even begin? Too revolutionary, too powerful, too disruptive. In the late 20th century, the world was on the edge of a transportation revolution. The EV1 electric car was about to change how we drove forever. It was fast, efficient, and produced zero emissions, a real game changer. But instead of becoming the car of the future, it was destroyed. Hundreds of them, crushed, wiped from the face of the earth. Why? The EV1 wasn't just a car. It was a threat to the oil industry, to the car manufacturers relying on gasoline engines, and even to the political system. If the EV1 succeeded, billions of dollars in fossil fuel profits could have vanished. Entire industries could collapse. Behind closed doors, powerful corporations and lobbyists fought back. The electric car was too much, too soon. With pressure from oil companies, regulators, and the car manufacturers themselves, the EV1 was banned. And then, it was erased. But what if the EV1 wasn't destroyed? What if it was allowed to thrive? Imagine a world where electric cars dominated the streets decades ago. A world where cities were cleaner, the air was fresher, and climate change was less of a threat. A world where oil didn't control economies, and where clean energy led the way. Could the EV1 have sparked a global green revolution? Some believe it could have. So why was the EV1 banned? The official story? Not enough consumer interest. But behind the scenes, there was another story. Corporate interests and politics played a massive role in shutting down the electric car. Oil lobbyists, politicians, powerful hands behind closed doors couldn't afford to let electric cars rise. The EV1 was a threat to everything they stood for. And so, the future was held back. Today, electric cars are making a comeback, but we are decades behind where we could have been. The banning of the EV1 is a reminder that disruptive technology often faces resistance, not because it's not ready, but because the world isn't ready to let go of what it already knows. Will we learn from the past, or will we continue to let power and profit block the innovations that could save our future? The EV1 was banned, but its legacy lives on in every electric car on the road today. The real question is, what other technologies will we lose to greed and fear before they have a chance to change the world? The future depends on what we choose to embrace. If you want to uncover more untold stories of world-changing technology, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Let's discover the future together.